Welcome back to Revenue Margin, brought to you by Rob Mlenek. I want to talk quickly about an economic update for August 2026. Um, Overall, the trend that we're seeing right now is that interest rates are going to continue to remain elevated compared to what many of us are accustomed to for many, many years over the last decade. While borrowing costs have stabilized, the financing is still very expensive. That every investment decision needs to generate a meaningful return to be able to overcome the interest rates. Second, the labor market is gradually cooling. Hiring is becoming a lot easier in many industries, but skilled talent is still very difficult to find and retain. Companies that invest in culture, leadership, and employee development will continue to have a competitive edge over probably the next 6 to 12 months and really be able to drive that value generation for the firm. Third, uncertainty continues to remain a huge challenge in the marketplace, whether it's tariffs, inflation, tax policy, geopolitical events, wars in certain areas. Many business owners are delaying decisions while waiting for more clarity. And in my experience, it's often a very big mistake for these companies because it's really letting the competition get ahead of them rather than continuing to grow and continuing to expand. The companies that outperform aren't going to wait for the perfect conditions. They're going to build a plan, monitor their performance indicators, manage cash flow, and adjust quickly as conditions change. So, as we head into the second half of the year, there's 4 questions that every leadership team should be asking yourselves. One, are we still on track to hit our annual budget? Two, does our cash flow look like over the next 12 months? Are we going to be on track to be able to meet those needs? Three is our tax planning opportunities that we should be competing before year end. And are we positioning to take advantage of acquisition opportunities if valuations become more attractive, which I do believe they'll happen over the next 6 to 12 months. Economic uncertainty creates risk, but it also creates opportunity for the right businesses and for individuals that are prepared. If you'd like a second opinion on your financial strategy, cash flow forecast, or growth plan, I'd be happy to schedule a complimentary 1 hour strategy session. Thank you for watching, and I hope to have you back next week.